When it comes to building a website in today's digital world, one of the very first and most important decisions you'll ever make is choosing the right web hosting provider, because no matter how beautiful your website design is or how valuable your content may be, if your hosting is slow, unreliable, or constantly going offline, everything else simply falls apart, and that's exactly why in this video we're taking a deep, detailed, and completely honest look at one of the most well-known names in the hosting industry. HostGator, a platform that has been around for years, has hosted millions of websites worldwide, and continues to attract beginners, bloggers, small businesses, and even growing online brands. But the real question is, does HostGator still live up to its reputation in today's highly competitive hosting market, or has it fallen behind newer and faster alternatives? And more importantly, is it the right choice for you in 2026, especially if you're just starting your online journey or looking to scale your website without breaking the bank? So in this complete review, we're going to break down everything you need to know, from its background and features to performance, pricing, support, and even how it compares to other hosting giants. So make sure you stick till the end, because this is not going to be a surface level review. This is going to be the kind of deep dive that actually helps you make a smart decision. Now, before we jump into the technical aspects, let's take a step back and understand where HostGator actually comes from and why it became so popular in the first place, because a company's history often tells you a lot about its strengths and weaknesses, and HostGator was originally founded back in 2002, which means it has over 2 decades of experience in the hosting industry, something that very few modern hosting providers can claim, and over the years, it has grown massively, becoming part of a larger organization known as Newfold Digital, which also owns other well-known hosting brands. And while being part of a big corporation can sometimes raise concerns about quality control, it also means that HostGator has access to large-scale infrastructure, resources, and global reach, allowing it to serve millions of users efficiently. And this combination of experience and scale is one of the key reasons why HostGator is often recommended for beginners, especially those who are launching their very first website and need something simple, affordable, and easy to manage without getting overwhelmed by technical complexity. One of the first things that instantly stands out when you visit HostGator's website is how beginner-friendly everything feels, because unlike some hosting providers that throw technical jargon at you right from the start, HostGator focuses heavily on simplicity and accessibility, making it very easy for anyone, even someone with zero technical knowledge, to get started. And this is especially important if you are part of that growing audience who wants to make money online, start a blog, launch a portfolio, or build a niche website without spending weeks learning complicated server configurations. And HostGator achieves this through features like one-click installations, an intuitive control panel, and guided setup processes that walk you through every step. And speaking of one-click installations, one of the biggest advantages here is the seamless integration with WordPress, which is the world's most popular content management system, powering a massive percentage of websites on the internet. And with HostGator, you can install WordPress in just a few clicks, which means you can go from zero to a fully functional website in a matter of minutes, and that level of convenience is a huge plus, especially for beginners who don't want to deal with manual setups or technical headaches. But ease of use is just one side of the story, because when it comes to web hosting, features play a huge role in determining whether a service is actually worth your money, and this is where HostGator tries to strike a balance between affordability and functionality, offering a wide range of hosting options including shared hosting, VPS hosting, dedicated servers, and even cloud hosting, which means that whether you're running a small personal blog or planning to build a large-scale online business, there is likely a plan that fits your needs. And if we specifically talk about